Hi everyone, welcome to our channel where we help you make the most out of your time online. Are you a student looking to earn some extra cash without investing any money? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the top online earning sites that you can start using today without any investment. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra pocket money or even start a full-time online business, we've got you covered. We know that being a student can be tough, but earning money online can be a game changer. Imagine having the flexibility to work from anywhere at any time and start having time for your studies and social life. And the best part is you don't need any previous experience and you don't need to invest a single penny. These sites are completely free to join and you can start earning money right away. So whether you're looking to make money through surveys, multi-task, or even by testing websites and apps, we've got something for everyone. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks and tutorials on how to make money online. Let's get started. Now, the first website I will be starting with today is Shutterstock. Most of you know Shutterstock, and if you want to become a stock photographer, the Shutterstock Contributor Program is the best place to start. First, it accounts for half of all revenue for most stock photographers. Second, it's a simple dashboard that even newbies can use quickly. Third, it's relatively easy to get accepted, so even beginners have a good chance. What is Shutterstock Contribution Program? Which is this one right here. Now, it's a leading platform where you upload your images, photos, illustrations, and icons. And if someone buys from them through Shutterstock, you can get a commission. Now, how much can you earn? You earn between 15% to 40% commission when one of your images or videos is uploaded at Shutterstock. How do you get paid? You'll be paid at the end of the month when you reach the minimum payout. It's about $35. You can get paid through Payoneer, PayPal, or Skrill. How do you become a Shutterstock contributor? Now, as you can see from the website, if you want to become a contributor, you go to submit.shutterstock.com, then you sign up. Click the Get Started button, sign up, and upload a photo, add keywords and a description, and you submit it. Now, this is all about Shutterstock. If you want to earn money through your images, stock images, or you're a photographer, you can go to Shutterstock and get started. I know most students can do this. Now, the next website I'll be talking about is Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace focused on handmade, vintage, and craft items. If you're wondering whether Etsy is a marketplace you should invest your time in, just take a look at the stats. In 2022, there are about 96.3 million active buyers who visited the Etsy marketplace, and 36.3 million of those active customers were repeat buyers. That's a 121% increase since 2019. These numbers, as you can see, prove that Etsy is really growing rapidly. So if you have something original you want to share with people all over the world, Etsy is definitely the best place. Now, do you actually have to make something to sell on Etsy? No. You are allowed to use a third-party manufacturer like Printful. This is Printful here. You can use it to craft the final product, but as the seller, you must show your involvement in the creativity process. Creating designs for products that you get from an outside manufacturer is acceptable under Etsy's guideline. Now, why should you start an Etsy shop? If you're a beginner, working with a well-trusted marketplace means it's easier to get your first sales and review than just starting with a standalone business. So if you start a website on your own, you have plenty of hurdles to cross through, and you will need to pay for several other things, like you need to do marketing, you need to pay for your domain name, pay for hosting, and all that. While on Etsy, you just get your product, put it on Etsy, and you start selling, because Etsy is already a known marketplace that attracts traffic online. So the next website I would like to talk about is Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is a freelancing online earning website that promotes professionals like logo designs, social media posters, voiceover artists, etc. for various companies and clients. It's the easiest way to earn money, starting from a $5 gig, out of which $1 is charged by Fiverr for using the service. Any person with minimum skill can use the Fiverr and effortlessly earn up to $100 or more per hour. Now, all you have to do is list up services that you offer and get an order. Once the order is done, you can get paid and get more orders. I've created an easy step-by-step guide on how to create a Fiverr account. In another video, I created a video also on how to get started on Fiverr within 24 hours, how to start getting orders. Now, this is my profile here, and you can just start by becoming a seller. Click here. However, this is my account. You can switch from buyer to seller mode. This is my seller account. You can switch to buyer mode here. if you want to buy something for Fiverr. However, I'm talking about the seller accounts where you can just click fiverr.com, type fiverr.com on your web browser and click on become a seller and just fill in the details. It's very easy. Now, the next site I'll be talking about is Upwork. Upwork is one of the best money earning sites that gives you lots of tools to make money from the internet in the fastest and simplest way. Be it website design, blog writing, sales, marketing, or accounting, the Upwork platform gives you space and network to build your technical skills. In this website, the percentage of what you earn is calculated on the basis of how much you earn from the contractor. For instance, for the first $500 you bill to the client, the site will take a 20% commission. Then from $500 to $10,000, Upwork takes only 10% commission. Then after earning over $10,000, Upwork will take only 5% commission. Now this is all about it. When you sign up, it's just like Fiverr. It's a freelancing site. You just sign up, you click on sign up by the top right corner, and it's easy. You just sign up and you create your gig and start getting jobs. Okay, the next one I would like to talk about, which is the fifth website, is Amazon Mechanic Talk. Amazon Mechanic Talk is a crowdsourcing site where people can make money by completing small tasks such as surveys or data entry. These are known as human intelligence tasks, HITs. With this site, MTalk, as popularly known, MTalk workers called talkers, can complete tasks that are too repetitive or difficult for computers but easy enough for humans to accomplish. Now, how does this platform work? To make money on MTalk, you complete tasks and then submit them for approval. You are given the instructions, the time needed to complete the tasks, and how much you will earn. After you have completed and submitted the HIT, your work will be reviewed. If it's accepted, you'll be approved for payment. The website has lots of jobs posted by people who need help. You can choose from hundreds of tasks. A talker can potentially complete up to 5,000 hits in a single day. The more hits you perform, the more you can earn. But just like with any other job, there are some good days and bad days. There are ways to maximize your earnings on MTalk, and I'll give you some of the helpful tips a bit later. Now, what are the jobs that you can find on MTalk? There are three main types of tasks that you will find as you search available jobs after registering. One of the tasks is surveys. If you enjoy filling out questionnaires and offering your opinions, you can make money on MTalk by filling out quick surveys. There's a wide variety to choose from, spanning multiple topics, and they are easy and quick to complete. You can even filter the types of survey you want to take. The next one is search engine descriptions. This task requires you to perform a Google search for a specific term or phrase. Then submit a sample of your search results to the requester. It's super simple and quick. The next one is transcription services. If you're a fast typist, you can make easy money on MTalk completing short transcription tasks. Simply listen to a short audio file and convert the content into text form. According to the website, other jobs you will find on MTalk are editing videos, data verification, information gathering, and data processing. There are hundreds of small tasks to choose from, but beware, there are also some illegal requests you want to avoid. These include any job that asks you to download software and enter your credit card information. Now, if you want to register on this site, after typing mtalk.com, go to the top right corner, sign in as a requester. When you click on sign in as a requester, you will see the next page here that tells you to sign in with Amazon. If you have an Amazon account, you need to create one of these accounts before you can be able to sign in, or you create an account with AWS. It's very easy. If you click on it, it takes you, directs you there, and you create your account and start. Now, the next website I will be talking about is User Tester. This user testing site is called usertesting.com. User testing is a technique employed in design to get a website product or a prototype assessed through the real user. User testing is critical as it lets the designer team find any discord in the user experience that they are designing so that an issue can be addressed and rectified before the final product goes live. Identifying and fixing issues at the earlier stage and indeed cuts down the long-term cost. Now, where does usertesting.com come in all this? All over the world, they work with several companies that want to hear honest feedback from real users regarding what they think about their digital products. First, if you're a tester on usertesting.com, you will help companies in creating a better digital experience by telling them what you think would work best on their website or app, what will be better, and why you feel so. You also earn money while doing so. Now, how do you make money with user testing? Now, on this site, to get enrolled as a tester, you need to take up a sample test, and if it gets approved by the panel, you will be a tester on usertesting.com. You receive tests based on your profile. Almost every test has some screening questions which you need to answer to qualify for the test. There is no right or wrong answers to the screening questions. If your responses match what they are looking for, then you'll be allowed to proceed with the test. Otherwise, you'll be disqualified from the test. For each successful test you take on this site, You'll be paid some money depending upon the kind of test. Now, how much can you earn and what are the rates? The payment for each test varies depending upon the types and duration of the test. Generally, the pay for each test varies between $3 to $60. The average payment is $10 per test. They pay $10 for every 20 minutes video you complete. For this, you need to visit the website or an application, follow instructions, and finish a set of tasks using your computer or mobile phone, and then give loud feedback about the user experience. Your English should be strong enough to share feedback clearly. This task generally takes around 10 to 20 minutes to be completed. The payment is through PayPal account, so you should have a PayPal account and be situated in a country that accepts PayPal transfers. The payment is done after 7 days of completing the test. Now, how can you become a tester on this site? It's mentioned on this website how you can become a tester. Click on Get Paid to Test. They accept testers from all over the world. You enter your email address here and click on Get Started. Tick this before you click Get Started. Now, to become a web tester here, like I said earlier on, you need to sign up by giving just your email here and completing a simple test. Once the sample is approved, you will be going through the complete sign up process where you will have to provide your profile details, PayPal account details, etc. Now, this is all I have for this video. So please, if you enjoyed the video, you can like, you can comment, you can share the video. Also, please subscribe to my channel, and so that when I upload new videos like this or better videos, you'll be the first to watch it and implement what I teach. Thank you.